Come in, please. Please sit down. Morning. Can you please tell me a little bit about yourself?
I'm Rafli Aguila, a graphic design graduate from SMK PKP 1 Jakarta.
What do you know about the position you're currently applying for?
It involves supporting department with content creator and coordination.
What do you know about our company?
Your company values innovation and teamwork, making it a great place to grow.
Why do you want to join this company?
I believe I can contribute and develop my skills at Holiday.
What is your salary expectation?
I expect an industry standard salary, but I'm open to discussion.
Thank you, Rafli. We will be in touch soon.
Thank you. I look forward to it.